but cleaned up a ton of grime and junk off of patches. Surprised that everything's still silver under here, so let's pop the oil pan off, reseal it, reseal the oil pickup, and I've already replaced the rear main as you saw earlier, and the piston pin, access cover O-ring, and the oil air separator plate. Upgraded that to the new steel design, resealed it. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the oil pan out, like I said, reseal that. Let this RTV cure overnight, throw the new clutch and flywheel on in the morning, and chunk this engine back in patches. Everything else we'll do at a later date. Right now I'm kind of strapped for the money and time for this project, so kind of quick in and out. I've got a 2001 Forester that was dropped off at the house yesterday. I got to look at it and get a quote up on it. Originally was just for a transmission fluid leak, but looks like we're going to be doing head gaskets and a bunch of other stuff on it. Not exactly sure yet. Got to do an inspection on it and get a list up for the guy. See what he actually wants to do with it. Then I've got to finish up the LL Bean Forester, finish pulling the dents on it, detail it, get the transfer clutch solenoid straightened out and get it ready for sale. Once I get it sold, we'll start on the silver 2005 Forester. What I'm gonna do is pull a good short block I've got out and pull the heads and swap those, and basically Frankenstein an engine for that car. Go through and reseal it as well. Brush up on the rust and the few other things we're going to do to it. Get it ready to sell, and then once it's done, there are 3 more Subarus I bought, which was 2004 LL Bean Outback, which has blown head gaskets, so we're going to replace the engine in it. There's a 2003 Outback 2.5i, blown head gaskets on it. And a 2005 Legacy 2.5i sedan that has a rod knock. So that's the next 3 flip cars. And not sure what after that. I don't really have anything planned. Oh, I do have another Phase 1 EJ22 guy contacted me about the other day. It's a spare engine. He wants me to do a full reseal on it, so probably have that coming here in the next little bit. Not exactly sure when he's going to bring it to me. But yeah, we got a couple things on the agenda. See how crusty and gross it is inside this oil pan. Looking inside that oil air separator plate, the amount of crust and hard buildup in there. Looks like Patches has had some rough spells with some not too great maintenance record for oil changes. It's not really a great spot to grab hold. There we go. Let's pry up under the dipstick tube. Let's see what we got. That's a lot of nasty. Got, what is this? Looks like some chunky bits of oil have made it to the pickup. Some of that carbon and buildup has gotten in there, but luckily it got stopped by the screen, so not too worrisome. Everything in here is really dark oil stained. So let's try to do a little bit of cleanup. Oh, that is really oil stained. So take the pickup off, clean it up, clean up all of this mating surface, clean up the oil pan, and sticker on their resealer. Alright, new pickup tube, O-ring, and new oil pan, sealing O-ring, and ready to start putting her back together, get everything cleaned up.